Hi, for this segment of Excel Learning tutorial, I will teach you the use of external website iDevice. Using again our effective presentation course, let's go to the page on how people process information. And let's click the external website at the iDevices pane. Here in this authoring window, you are required to provide a URL or the link to that resource. So it is important that you are already online or you are already connected to the internet as you prepare this, and you already did a research on where to get that information. So in this case, let's go back to our research or our source, and let's paste it here and let's press enter. So right now you are already connecting to that link that will provide and how people process the information. The hyperlink led us to this article on the 4 different ways people process the information. Instead of us discussing the 4 different ways, the use of the external website would allow our students to explore the internet resources, and this will make their learning more interesting and in a way would teach them on the use of the internet.